Hey guys, it's Kristen with HK Wax Center. I'm gonna wax my own underarms in this video. Now, full disclosure, it's been about 5 years since I waxed my underarms. I used to wax them back when I worked at European Wax Center, and then my, at the time, boyfriend, now fiance, we moved to Colorado. I kind of just started shaving, frankly, out of pure laziness, and never went back to waxing my underarms. So he actually called me out the other day and was like, Kristen, you can't be a waxer and have your own wax company and wax brand, you know, mermaid wax, and not wax your underarms. So here I am 2 weeks later. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to wax my underarms for you. So first thing, hair growth. You need to wax in the direction of the hair growth first. So, okay, I've got this underarm is actually grows in two different ways. So I've got some that go straight down, and then this half grow up. So I'm gonna split my underarm in half and do down, up, and then I'll do my cleanup strips. But let me show you the wax that I'm using. So I've got Mermaid Wax Signature Series. This is the Electra with a little bit of Serena mixed in. It's called Lavender Lava. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've been using this for, gosh, a little over a month now. Completely obsessed. I almost exclusively, well, actually no, I exclusively use Signature Series in my salon, but I will alternate between whether it's Electra or Serena, and then now I'll mix Lavender Lava just for fun. So, can you tell I'm a little nervous? I'm gonna, first you want to cleanse. Always cleanse. I did put deodorant on this morning, and it's been a long day, so definitely want to clean that puppy first. Okay, so if you don't, it's gonna make your wax a whole lot harder. Not to mention, it's gonna be harder for the wax to actually adhere to the hair itself. So always, you gotta cleanse. Absolutely have to cleanse. I like to throw a little bit of powder on afterwards. I use cornstarch powder. I love it, which of course I'm wearing a black shirt. Did not think that through, did I? There we go. Just helps if you're sweating or anything, which I'm like I said, a little nervous. So, okay. So here we go, just so y'all can see what it looks like. Now, like I said, this is 2 weeks. Normally, I won't even wax someone if it hasn't been 3 weeks. Underarms, I mean, I've seen some people do it within a week, and Mermaid Wax has been able to pull it out. So I have done it before, and it actually did work out well. I had a client who came in a week and a half, and I was like, I'll try it. Can't guarantee anything, and easy peasy, pulled it out. But professionally, I recommend at least 3 weeks minimum. So you don't need a whole lot, because Signature Series you can spread incredibly thin. So it's actually probably still too much, but should move slow like molasses. Oh, you know, I just realized I gotta do 2 smaller strips. I need to cut that in half. So take that back. Here we go. Even less. Okay. So I'll do the lower part first, and I'm gonna try to see this as best as I possibly can. Like I said, the lower hairs grow downward, kind of down off to the side. So we're gonna go in that direction first. This just ensures you're not breaking any of the hairs compared to doing the whole thing all at once. You can snap them. They're not gonna come up from the root. Your client's gonna be pissed, you're gonna be pissed. Not fun. So just like that. You can spread this wax super thin, the Signature Series. It's already dry, so I can pull it now. Normally I'd hold the skin tight right here, but again, I'm doing this one-handed, so, oh man. I forgot what that felt like. Yay, for waxing. Okay. All right, you wanna see? Because I know all of y'all are crazy like me. Look at those roots. Oh my God. Okay, so we will do the top half now. Like I said, a little bit of wax. Make sure you're using pressure when you're applying your strips. That way you know it's actually getting down to the base of the hair. So we're just gonna go straight up. Kind of gotta get this part too. These are not going to be my prettiest strips just because of the awkwardness of the whole thing. Just like that. I'll give it a second. I always like to apply pressure after I pull a strip too. You know, if you stub your toe, what do? You immediately grab your toe. Same kind of concept. Something hurts, you want to touch it. So my clients appreciate it. I appreciate it when I wax myself. It's just helps with everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold this taut as much as possible. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh boy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got a whole lot more. This is, oh, focus camera. Help me help you. Come on. There we go. That's what I wanted. Dude. All right. I'm going, actually, you know what? Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I'm sorry. These shouldn't be bad. The first strips are always the worst because they hurt so much more. Everything else, I'm gonna get powder all over me. It's not gonna be that bad anymore. That's what I always tell my clients, that the cleanup strips are the easy ones. You just gotta get through the first ones and you'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over the entire area for my cleanup strips. So which way do I wanna go first? I'll probably just go down first and then I'll do one more up since I have so many hairs growing in all different directions. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Okay, so we're gonna go down first. Obviously you can do this a lot faster when you're with a client because you can, I always do one strip on each side and then I'll go back and pull them compared to one strip at a time. It's gonna slow you down a whole lot. And we will wait a second. The one thing, well, not the only thing, but one thing that I really love about underarm waxing is, you know, whenever you shave, right after you shave, like, hey, the hair's gone, but you can still see that dark, like, point under the skin. It's like, it's kind of like a shadow. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. So that is one thing that I am excited to not have since it's been so long since I've waxed my underarms and it's completely ridiculous. My fiance is 100% correct. I should not let it go that long. Oh my gosh. But, you know, life and being lazy. So, okay, so we're gonna pull this one. And pressure. That one was not nearly as bad, but gosh, I still have to just have like a crazy amount of hair. And I think this is just easiest for you guys. Maybe. There we go. My camera will work with me. Now those little spots right there, pinpoint bleeding, totally fine. That's one thing I'll tell my clients. It's actually a good thing. Means we got it from the root, so that puppy is not going to be coming back for a while. I know some people just kind of get, you know, lose their mind with the sight of blood. Totally fine. Don't be nervous about that. I always get happy when I see those. Okay, so now since we went down this cleanup strip, we're going to go up. Then we should be good after that. Of course, I have powder all over myself. Here I am trying to like wear a black top since I'm not in scrubs. I'm the professional and it totally backfired on me. I super apologize. Okay, so we're gonna go in the opposite direction now. And make your lip at the end. Oh, I did not like how I made that strip. Sorry guys, it's always a little awkward when you're doing it yourself. I have a hole in the center that I put a little too much powder. So just go and cover it up. If you ever don't make a perfect strip, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just go back and fix it. Like sometimes if I don't make a perfect, like these edges are kind of terrifying, but if I don't make a perfect straight edge, just go back and add a little more wax. No big deal. It's okay. We're not perfect. We all make mistakes. Just fix it. You'll be fine. All right, so I'm gonna wait a slightly bit longer just to be safe and to give me a little bit more time in between before when I pull this. All right, we're good. I'm being a wimp. Yay. Okay, the last of them. And ta-da! Except for this little piece. Yay! Oh my gosh, so much better. Okay, so after I'll put a little bit of post-wax lotion on, you're good to go. I'll tell my clients, don't put deodorant on, anything like that. You know what I mean? Just give it a bit. Wait until the next day. You'll be fine. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.